Look at that view. Hey friends, Tina Lala here, and this is a big one. Now, it's always been a dream of mine to stay at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, but we've just never been able to afford it. But for my birthday, the family surprised me with a one-night stay at the Grand Floridian using Megan's cast member discount. I can't wait for you to see our gorgeous Mary Poppins theme room and the amazing view of the Magic Kingdom from our balcony. Let's go! Grand Floridian is a luxurious resort with its huge Victorian era themed grand lobby where you can hear the grand piano playing your favorite Disney movie songs, and you have that feeling of pure splendor and opulence everywhere you look. Being one of the Disney Deluxe hotels, the Grand Floridian is modeled after the Mount Washington Resort in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, and Hotel del Coronado in Coronado, California. The resort contains 867 rooms among its 6 buildings. With its red gabled roofs and white walls, it is a distinguished Disney flagship of all the deluxe resorts. Each Grand Floridian building has a beautiful lobby area, and the Boca Chica building, where our room was located, was no different. The pastel-colored decor and plush lounging area invites you in for an expensive getaway, continuing the look of luxury as you walk down the hall and through the doors to your new home. Now, I know the Grand Floridian's been going through some renovations, but let me just make a comment that the carpets in the hallway are just starting to show some wear and tear. They were very faded and a bit outdated, but let's hope our room isn't as dreary. So here it is, at the door to room 8443. Now, we used our My Disney Experience app on our phone for the keyless entry, and are you ready? Here's our room. In November 2023, the Grand Floridian rethemed its 400 square foot rooms after the beloved Mary Poppins movie, and we were fortunate enough to get one of those rooms for our stay. Now let's start the tour. Okay, so from the main door, you walk through the door and you come right into the bathroom. You have his and her sinks here, and you have the Disney Resort with a mouthwash, a vanity kit, a shower cap, vanity kit. What's in a vanity kit? Q-tips, nail file, and then some type of makeup thing. And then there's the soap. Underneath you've got towels, face cloths underneath. Over here behind you, this is your water closet. So you've got the toilet, full shower, and look at the shower head. So not only is it a rain shower head, but you also have the regular shower here. All right, so now let's go into the main area. As you step out of the bathroom, in full closet with robes. Oh wow, fancy robes. You have your safe, a steam cleaner. Here's your hair dryer, extra pillows, blankets. Over here you have a wide selection of coffees, creamers. You've got your Keurig, top of the line Keurig is where you've got your refrigerator to hold your water, sodas, wine. This room has definitely been upgraded because over here you can see that not only are there plugs, but they're USB as well. Recycling. And if the lady wants to sit and put some makeup on, there's a little chair right here where she can do that. You got drawers here, good sized drawers to be able to put all of your luggage, clothes, things like that in. And the artwork, look at that Mary Poppins Mary Poppins and the artwork. This is definitely Cherry Hill. Was it Cherry Hill Drive? Watch Megan, look at that. Look at that. And there you go, there's the couch. And it was a very quick, easy fold down. Megan, we'll show one more time. And ta-da, there's your couch. Excellent. The other thing that's really cool on the side of the bed, these little book reader lights. So if you're someone who likes to stay up at night and you don't want to wake up the other people, and they just turn right off. Very cool. So let me just mention, these vaulted ceilings in this room, because we're on the 4th floor, they really make this room look huge. So if you were on the lower floors, you wouldn't have these vaulted ceilings. The spaciousness of the room is really quite crazy. Yeah. I will tell you, this couch, not very comfortable to sit on, but that's okay. But just so, I mean, spacious, really. And the vaulted ceiling, it's amazing. It's amazing. So then on the side table, Megan was just pointing out the beautiful, but up above, birds on the ceiling. The lights are birds. I don't know if you can tell. The light bulbs themselves are birds. There's birds. I mean, wow. I mean, there's Space Mountain right there to the right. There's the castle. I mean, this view's amazing. Building right here that we're looking at, this is actually Narcoossee, which is a fine dining restaurant here at the Grand Floridian, where guests are expected to dress accordingly. Entrees are pretty pricey, between $35 to $60, but it's definitely and it's a coastal cuisine, but definitely fine dining. So now that we've actually spent a night here in the room, and again, this is Grand Floridian room 8443. So Don, what did you think of the room?
I thought it was very cheerful. I mean, it was very comfortable.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, the beds were nice and soft. I'm usually one that does not sleep the first night when we're at any hotel, and I actually slept really well last night. I mean, you do hear the boat horns until late in the night, and then the first thing in the morning you hear the train whistles because we are so close to Magic Kingdom, but I don't think any of those woke me up this morning.
No, they didn't wake me up this morning either. I mean, you can hear them, but they're not that annoying.
Yeah.
Our view is amazing from this room. You can see just about everything really close. The castle just stands right out in the morning, especially at sunrise. It was like the sun coming up and the castle was just coming out of the monorail, and the castle kind of connect together.
The other thing that was really cool, the showers. So the shower head, I think we showed you in the tour, it had a rain head at the top and then more of like a stick wand. The shower pressure was really good. Of course, we're all going to smell like sea, marine the whole day, but the pumps, usually I know when I'm in the shower at one of the moderate or even the value resorts, the pumps are at the top and they're really hard to get the soaps and the shampoos out. These had a really nice button at the bottom to get a good amount of shampoo out of the containers. I thought that was really great. So what do you think? Do you think we would stay at the Grand Floridian again?
I would stay at the Grand Floridian again if I could work a lot more to get some more money to do it. I got a great discount on this one.
Yeah.
But to come here and do a whole week, I don't think I could afford that. Normal people might not be able to afford that.
But compared to like some of our favorite rooms, let's say at like Riverside, do you think this was equal to a room at Riverside?
Riverside's very nice for what we pay.
Yeah.
This is a step above, of course.
Right.
The view, the room itself I think is a lot larger. The bathroom is larger.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, yeah, would I stay here again? Yes. Is it better than Riverside? Yes. But do I still like Riverside? Yes.
Yeah, I think the value for Riverside is equal. That's a good value. The value here at the Grand Floridian, I think this is definitely overpriced for everything that you're getting, but it's because it's in the deluxe the deluxe area, but you're expecting this grandeur for that price, so it's reasonable in that sense, but
yeah, you get what you pay for.
Yeah. So there you go. There's our review of the Grand Floridian, room 8443, with this amazing balcony view, which we're going to say goodbye to, which is very sad. And with that, on to the next. Hey friends, are you hungry for a snack? Well, subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss the June Disney Eats Donut Collection coming up next.